everybody, welcome to Faith Family Farm, and today we're making a simple potatoes and eggs recipe. So here we have, let's see, how many eggs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10 eggs. Just gonna break them up a bit. Breaking all the yolk. And then we're just gonna throw them into our pan. There we go. You can hear them boiling up. All right. Let's put a lid on it. You can see it. And we're gonna heat them up just till they have like a film over them and they're starting to cook through. And we'll kind of mix them up a bit. We're gonna add our potatoes today. So we'll stir them up, and I'll show you my purple potatoes that I got. They're local and organic purple potatoes. So we're stirring this up, as you can see perhaps here. Mixing up the eggs, getting them all scrambled. All right, and let's go get those purple potatoes. All right, here they are. They're very pretty. And here, see? Purple potatoes, local, organic. All I did was chop them up, place them in a 375-degree oven, put some olive oil on them, and then bake them from there. And we're gonna add them to our omelet in just a moment. All right. Let's move the eggs around a little more. I'm gonna put it to a very low temperature so the eggs don't burn. Okay. There's only about 10 eggs in here for a family of 5. So the potatoes are gonna help bring about a little bit more density to the dish. Yeah, so we're mixing that up. And you may want to add a little salt. Here I have a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. I'm just gonna put a teeny bit in there to mix up. Again, I don't want it too low or too high, just keeping it cooking there. All right, I'm gonna throw in some of these purple potatoes. Very beautiful. And I've had soup turn purple when I made soup with these, but I don't know if our eggs are gonna turn purple since the potatoes are already cooked. So you can see just how pretty this is with the yellow eggs and the purple potatoes. Let's continue to mix all of this up, and we'll add some more potatoes. All right. Keep adding the purple potatoes to this dish. Mix them up. Probably don't need this lid anymore. You can see how they're all getting mixed in there. Heating them up just a little more. All right. I'm actually going to add all the purple potatoes to the dish. There we go. Slide that in. All right, a little more of the olive oil went in there. Olive oil is a very heart-healthy food. Improves circulation. So important to add that to your diet, raw or cooked. All right, let's stir this around just another minute or so. Maybe adding a teeny bit more Himalayan pink salt to the dish. Stir it up a little more. Heating everything through. And there you have it. Potatoes and eggs. You can have this for breakfast or lunch or even dinner if you like. Anyway, I hope this recipe was helpful to you, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care.